Gift and More. It's a concert that's happening on June 22.
Yes.
Starring Miss Kula Desma, of course, Isabella, and Tito. We were talking about 22 ba? 22
Yeah,
ba?
22nd, yes.
22nd.
It's on a Friday.
And what I like about Kula Desma concerts, it's not just all about music. It's also a visual spectacle because the stage production, the costumes, the accessories, everything, you plan it talaga, no?
Yes, this time I'm wearing something that my brother did. He does a lot of accessories. Pero talagang mahirap gawin ng mga accessories.
Yeah.
So sabi niya, oh, hindi mo sinusuot yung mga ginagawa ko. But, you know, they're really, really special. Napakaganda. Nagugulit nga yung mga tao. Sabi, wow, ano ba yan? So,
because it's handmade.
Yes, he's
It's
really
handmade,
a craftsman.
yeah.
It's extraordinary, the things he does. Parang I've never seen this sort of thing before.
Right. In fact, you're wearing one, right?
Oh, well, no, this is not an accurate representation. I asked him, I gave him pearls because I love pearls, and I said, Tito, can you make me something? And then he made me this 3-strand thing.
So how much more blessed can you be? You have the gift of, like, with your hands, and then music as well, singing, and then behind the scenes.
He's an amazing
artist.
Landscape.
He also
landscape
does.
artist.
Yeah.
Okay, let's just talk about what you can't do. But
He's a Ledesma.
yes, all of
What
you
can't they do?
Yeah, our family is really blessed with multi-talents.
Yes.
You know, even my brother, who, you know, was into a lot of trouble when he was young. He said, "Sana I started." Yeah, my eldest brother. Sabi niya, "Sana I started playing golf because I would be talagang pro na ngayon. I would be able to kasi he started like when he was 35. Pero
late na.
pero ngayon he teaches.
He's a golf pro. Yeah.
He's a golf pro, pero he teaches. Pero sabi niya, siguro ang magiging handicap ko, 2 na lang or 3. Kasi ang handicap niya ngayon, 5, 7, ganyan. Pero that's still really good,
Right, it
right?
is.
Yeah.
And you know, the best thing about this is they're sharing their family with us in a way. So the Gift and More, because it is a concert of not just school, but daughter Isabella and brother Tito. What can we expect? If people go there, what can we expect from you? What kind of songs are you going to be singing? May dancing din ba?
Well, from me, I know that my thing right now is I've had this phrase in my brain for about a year now, and it's been something more.
Okay.
You know, because I watch a lot of TV and a lot of movies, and I'm always searching for just that little bit of something more. So I think that with such a special concert as this, the goal for my part is to just deliver you a beautiful song, but I want people to listen to the message. So, like my mom has been teaching me to be a storyteller, to be a communicator, because that's what we're essentially doing when we're singing a song. Sure, it's great to look good and to entertain and to make them go somewhere else, but what we're essentially doing is we're telling you a story. We're communicating.
And trying to connect to the feeling.
Yeah.
What about I'm sure that we can learn something also from the mother and daughter relationship, Ku. What would you advise moms out there watching us?
Well, just like this concert, you know, it's entitled The Gift because we have learned as a family. I mean, it didn't happen right away. Well, Isabella and I found Christ together. My brother just a few months. And then my eldest brother just recently, siguro about a year ago. Pero yung gift, you know, we are all gifted, given talents. You know, some 1, sabi nga ni Jesus, some 5. And we all need to use those talents for God's glory. But like Isabella, my daughter, I would tell her, wag mo kakalimutan yung gift mo of, you know, as a painter. Kasi ako, I paint also. So on both sides in the family of her father, painters din sila. So this is something that she is learning to bring back kasi may passion siya doon.
So it's a matter of encouraging each other. Encouraging each other through words.
Yes.
Well, always
Not
for
to bury your
parents,
talent.
always be attentive and be sensitive to where you think what your children are doing daily, especially when they're young.
Okay, and we'll end at that. If you want more from this wonderfully talented family, that's the number to call on the screen for tickets. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you next time.